Hey guys, it's me, Ian, and today we're going to be watching some TTT gameplay, where I'm one of the few terrorists who must eliminate the innocents. I'd like to thank you for tuning in today, and enjoy the Uncut gameplay.
I don't care! Yeah, I know.
Let's go over there, let's go over there.
Alright.
The science guy.
Bill.
Is it there?
Bill, nah, your mom's other guy.
Some dangerous angles.
We can't go in there. Because we're not allowed. We're not allowed in any containers. Hi. Start?
Hey, Ian.
Yeah. Do you want to know something?
Are you serious?
Maybe. Yeah.
You're standing right next to me. How did you?
It's because I turned around really quietly. Here. Yeah, I know. Here, you know what? I have an idea.
Hey, there's these guys over here.
There are?
Who else is here?
Alright. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you because you're probably going to shoot them.
No, I won't shoot them.
Okay. You remember who was a terrorist last time? Left.
Are they?
One.
Hey, we have a truck.
Hey!
Hey, I don't trust him.
I don't. Hey, back off.
Get down. Don't make it. Get down. Drop your gun.
We're good.
I will set my shotgun down. Hey.
All right.
Guns down, guys.
I want to go get the.
No mags down. Mags down.
All right. Hey.
Calm down. Last time, truce.
Yeah. You know.
Hostage.
We're just gonna keep a squad, right? We're just gonna.
And the thing is, here.
First, I'm starting with him.
Who else is?
I'm starting with him.
Hey, no, guys, we gotta watch the back here.
Guys, you can cross over to here. I'll trust him.
You don't want to go that way.
Oh, all right.
They're taking hostages.
They are?
Yeah. You should go look.
All right. Bang, bang. James, he's dead. All right, we're gonna have a whole bunch of people around there. I'm afraid. I got the traitor. Yeah.
Hey, watch it. Watch it over there. Hey. What are you doing?
Don't worry.
Are you leaving? You're leaving?
Put your gun down.
You're leaving? Put it down.
Put your gun down.
Put it down. We're good.
Chaka, sit down. You can go deploy your turret somewhere else. Kill like that. Just give me. Don't worry, I'm dead. He shot me.
Damn it. I don't know what the terrorism thing is. Why aren't they wearing uniforms?
That's a good question.
What is going on here?
No, I shot them and then he shoots me. Whoa, calm down. Whoa.
Okay,
hey, man.
I don't wanna.
Whoa,
James, jeez.
Come on.
James.
We good? Assassinated.
Whoa. Hey, paratrooper.
Wait. Okay, can we trust you?
Yeah.
I don't trust you though.
He's dead. They're dead.
He's dead, yeah. They're
I feel
dead.
like the Elite Force revolver.
Is he James?
I got the Dan Weston 15,
No.
715.
Should we shoot him?
Yeah.
Zombie! Damn it, dude, why'd you shoot me?
I'm sorry.
Alright, hey, listen to me before you go around the corner. Yeah. There's a shit ton of people in the four boxes.
This one?
Yeah.
So let's go around.
Oh geez, they're scaring me. If we can, bang bang. Wait, hold on, I got this. Bang bang!
Christ, you fucking scared me.
Bang bang. I got him. I said bang bang. Oh, he still thinks he's alive. Hold on. Okay then.
There you go, I'm done.
Alright, he
Try to get the guys in the box. Huh?
I don't know here. If we can cross, what we can do is we can push up really close. Alright, hold on, let me.
I'll go first.
Alright.
I got drafted.
Hey, whoa. No, I'm not gonna shoot you. I'm putting this back in the holster, okay? I just want to cross. Going in the holster.
Who?
In the holster. How dare you?
I'm not an innocent. Or I mean, I am an innocent.
I don't know. I assume that's who the terrorists were because 100 times scared. They're terrorizing.
I'm dead. I'm just going over in the shade.
Hey, okay. Good.
Has like a mustache mask.
Wait, dude. Hey. Alright.
What the heck?
He's dead. He's an idiot. Garrett, stop. You guys are dead. Huh?
Want me to shoot back at them?
Sure, if you want.
Check your fire. Look, they're back. They're right there. There's 3 people right behind the storage container.
Is there one over there?
Yeah, around the corner.
All right. I got this.
Game over?
Is it game?
Is it game?
I don't know.
It's a game.
I think it is. Me?
Yeah,
Possibly.
Game?
it's game.
It's game?
He called game.
All right.
You were a traitor too then. Were you both traitors?
Maybe.
So I let you go. And they said you two were paying.
Yo, what time
They
is
said
it?
you were right. We should have shot him.
Yeah,
We should have shot him. And you were
All right.
those last month too.
yeah.
Dude, redemption.
You know, I saw
Redemption.
you get shot, and then I thought you. Oh god.
I didn't get shot.
I saw you shoot shotgun guy, and I thought you ran away. So I thought it was safe.
Like I'm just.
I didn't. I just said bang bang. I didn't want to make it loud.
1911 in the holster. Don't shoot me.
How did that end?
Huh?
How did it end?
Innocence won, I think, but that was really fun. I actually got kills. Oh, that guy was another terrorist. The tan guy on the right.
I thought you were being like.
Hi. There's barbed wire over there.
I got banged out.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Like the one kid because I thought he was there.
Hey, buddy, you could have banged me though. You shot me like 4 times.
Me?
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought I wasn't close enough. My bad, man. My
So in
bad.
defense, I did a good. I avenged their death, and I got.
What team are you on? Are you in green?
Yeah.
Don't worry, you'll get your revenge.
We'll see about that.
He shot you, and I was like, ah.
Y'all have like 15 snipers though. We couldn't do anything during that PDM.
Dude, all you gotta, oh, that just ricocheted and hit me, man.
I was, okay, so, okay, so this is my issue with my new holster. I just got a holster and it pops the mag out every time. Yeah. Issue with my holster. You got it.
I love my 1911.
My Kappa better.
Wait, did I stop this?